Hello, I'm Ederson Oliveira. I'll be presenting this video for DNNhero.com. In this video, I'll be talking about a new feature in DotNetNuke 5.6.2 called User Hard Delete. So, first of all, what is the User Hard Delete? It's a feature that came to answer the need to really remove a user from the database. What happened is that in a certain point, DNN decided to no longer hard delete a user, so the users were only marked as deleted in the database. But people started to, I guess, realize that we also need the feature to really remove a user completely from the database. So that was addressed in the latest version of .NET I will show how it was before and how it is now, so you can really truly see the difference. So I have here two instances of .NET brand new installs. One is DNN 5.6.1, the other one is DNN 5.6.2. I'm going to start with DNN 5.6.1 here and show how we used to delete a user in that version. Let's log into the backend, and I'm going to log in as super user. So from here, I can go, let's say, to admin, user accounts. And in this case here, I already have an extra account already stored. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to delete this account. And again, using DNN 5.6.1, the previous version. So let's try to delete this guy. Yep, I'm sure. Now, if I go back here, user accounts, the user no longer shows up here in the list of users. But if I go to host SQL and I query the database looking for the user tables, the user table that store all the users, this account is still there, as you can see. Now, because this account is still there and the email is here as well, if you try to create another user with the same username, you wouldn't be able to, because there's already a user with the same username, even though it's a deleted user, but it's just marked as deleted. Now, in this version and prior to that, if you really truly wanted to delete the user, you would have to use some scripts. It was not that simple, and again, not very easy to be done. So, bottom line is that you would be stuck with a user in the database that you would not be able to delete, and even though it is deleted. So that's what started to get called as soft delete. The user is marked as deleted, but it's not really removed from the database. Now, let's have a look at our DNN 5.6.2. I'm going to close this browser because I'm logged in. I'm going to try to log out. I'm afraid we can have some conflict here of instances if I try to log in on both at the same time in the same browser. So I'm going to try to log in here to the DNN 5.6.2 version. I'm going to log in. Okay, no problems. I'm going to admin, user accounts. And I don't have any extra account. I'm going to create a quick account here. Add new user. This is John. And the display name will be John. And the email address, I don't care too much. Authorize, notify, no. Passwords. So I click on add new user. The user is added. So as you can see now, they not only changed the icon, now it's a garbage bin. It's not really an X, you're not really delete. So this little garbage bin here, if I click here, it will perform a soft delete. It will mark the user as deleted, but it will not really completely remove the user from the database. So let's give it a shot. Let's click on this garbage bin. Are you sure we're going to delete? Okay. Okay, so as you can see, if I go back here to user account to refresh the page, we can still see the user in the list, but it's crossed saying that this user has been soft deleted. And as you can see, there is now a restore button. Now you can soft delete the user, but if you want to revert that back, you can do that by clicking the restore button. Let's try that. Okay, just clicked, it got restored. If I go back there, I will soft delete it again. And now when I soft delete that user, I have the option to really do a hard delete. When it in this X here says remove, this remove will truly remove this user from the database. Now, a couple of things that you might want to consider before removing a user from before doing a hard delete, which is removing the user from the database. Maybe you have some modules that use the user ID as a reference. So those references may get lost. But again, that's really the only implication that I see here before you consider deleting a user. Hard deleting, because if you do just a soft delete, the reference is still there. If there's, again, any other modules, any other maybe third-party modules that you are using that are linking the content with that particular user or something like that. So again, to hard delete, I can click on X, or I can also click on remove deleted users. If this list of users has many soft deleted users, many users which are crossed like this, you can just click in this link at the bottom where it says remove deleted users, and all the soft deleted users will go through a hard deletion. They will be just gone from the database, and you will not be able to restore them. Now, if you do a soft delete, you can restore, but you cannot restore from a hard delete. So let's give it a try here. Actually, before that, let's go to host SQL and let's have a look at the users table. So let's execute this. As you can see, John is right here. And so it's soft deleted, so it's not completely removed from the database. We're going back there to user accounts, and now I'm going to hard delete this user. Now, if I go back there, host SQL, and paste my little script, select all from users, you see, John is no longer here. So we truly hard deleted John. So that's basically it. That's just a quick introduction, not even overview, because it's a very simple feature, but it's an introduction on how you can best use the user hard delete new feature of .NET Nuke 5.6.2. Thank you very much, and bye for now.